Hello everyone, welcome to UPS Education. We are back with another video. In this video, we will show you how you can apply for MA Psychology in Ambedkar University. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Google Chrome and we will search UPS Education. Now we will click this link right here. Now we will click on Updates tab. This is the site where you will have all the information needed related to psychology with the latest updates. Here we will click on this, and this is the page where we have all the information needed like eligibility criteria, seats, fees and all related to Ambedkar University MA Psychology. Now we will click on the link right here. Now we have reached on Ambedkar University's admission portal. Now if you have already registered yourself, you will just simply log in, and if you are a new user, you will click on new user sign up. There you will fill up all your details like your email ID, your password and mobile number. It says the email ID doesn't match. Yeah, it matches now. Now we will fill up our desirable password. We will confirm the password again. Now we will fill up the mobile number. Now we will click on register. Now you will check your email, and your email ID will contain a simple confirmation from the admission portal itself. We will check on that. Now there is the confirmation mail. We will click here, simply log in. We will confirm this. Now we will start our application process. We will click on apply now. We will select our program, post graduation admission 2021 to 2022. Now here you will fill up your personal details, your academic details, your program selection and your uploads. Then you will preview. So let's get started. Here you will fill up your name. Let's see UPS and education. Now you will select your gender, your date of birth. Let's say 28 June 1999. You will select your blood group. You will select your category, that do you belong to reserved category or unreserved. Your nationality, your religion, right? Now you will fill up these all details accordingly. Now here you will fill up your father's name. Now their qualifications. combined family income, your previous experiences. Now you will select these special categories if you belong to them or not. You can fill up accordingly. Address, let's say. Now as I have filled up all these details, you will fill all the details according to you. Now you will click on save and next. You will confirm it. Make sure to check all the details. Now in this section you will fill up your academic details like your 10th, 12th and graduation details, like name of your college, your university pin code, your year of passing, your stream, etc. Now on this panel you will select your language preferences and additional details if there are any, and now you will select save and next. Verify these and select next. Now we have reached on third section, and in this section we will select the desirable program. As you want to take admission in MS Psychology, you will select this, and there is only one campus in AUD which provide psychology, which is Kashmiri Gate campus, and you will select save and next. You will verify this and you will click next. Now you need to upload your passport size photo and your signature. Remember, your photo should not be greater than 500 KB in size, and same goes for your signature. So upload these. After you upload these, you will click on next, and now you will reach on this page where you will see all the details that you have provided, and if there are any errors you will click on modify this section. If like there is a mistake in personal details, you will modify this section. If there are any errors in qualification section, you will click on this. If there are errors in your program selection, you will click on this, and if there are no errors, you will click on I agree and go for payment. Now we have reached on sixth section. Here you need to pay the admission fees, and after you pay your admission fees, your registration process will be done. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest news and updates related to psychology. Thank you.